Okay, so now we're moving into step 38, and it is time to test out our board. We've got the wires ran, we've got the LEDs put in. So now we've got to test and make sure everything works before we put it all together. So we're going to need our little battery pack, a 9-volt battery, and a 1K ohm resistor, which is the going from left to right, brown, black, red, then gold resistor. Okay, so we are going to so we want the resistor to be in line with our negative side coming off the battery. So we're going to attach our resistor to there. And so I'm going to kind of wrap the resistor around the end there. This is the same resistor I used earlier when I was testing the battery, so it's already got some solder on it. So hopefully I can just add some heat and it'll solder back together on there. All right, so we're going to solder that onto there. Let it sit. Hopefully that did not take. Okay, so now that's on there. So then we can put our 9-volt battery in here. Just make sure the ends don't touch. And then we're going to turn this around so we can see it. Okay, so I'm going to come down here and try to twist these wires together so maybe they'll hold together. My reds. So that 5-inch red wire, I'm going to twist it onto the red lead that's coming off of my battery. Like that, so that'll hold. And then now, using my little apparatus here. So I want to make sure that I'm touching the 5-inch white wires with this side of the resistor, so the power is going through the resistor and doesn't burn out my LEDs. So I'm going to hold the wire like this, grab this wire, reposition myself, grab this wire, touch it right there, and I've got 5 red lights in the middle. I'm going to bend that wire over so I know I've already done it. Then I'll bring up the next wire. And there's five reds. Bend that one over. Come on into the next one. And 5 reds there. There's 5 more. There's 5. We should put that over there. Those are good. I got 3 more left. All of those worked. All of those. And if I could, and all of those. So all of those have worked. So it looks like I'm good to go there. I'm gonna pull this battery out now. Okay, so as you're going through here, if you're having an issue with one of the bulbs not working down the line or something like that, reach out to me, let me know. But you can kind of try to troubleshoot on your own. On page 8 in the manual is a little diagram of the LED side. So this, it's hard to, I can't get this camera to focus, but that the wording says top side view. So with the wires on the top on the back side, that's how you know that it's the top side. So that tells you which LED goes to which pad. So like that top left is RC2. So if I was having an issue with this one, I'd know to one, check the LED, make sure it's not in backwards, make sure it's not bridged on the back. And then I can also go to the RC2 pads and check those down through the entire process. I'm back on page 2. It tells you where the RC2 pads are, which those are going to be those pads right there, which ironically is the ones closest to it. So, but you can always reach out to me and let me know, and I can try to help you troubleshoot. Again, I showed you how to make the thing to use at home if you're doing this at home. If you're here in class, instead of using the 9-volt battery, we can do all the rest of this. Just hook this up to the power supply, or hook the resistor into the power supply. Save a little bit of time and some steps. I believe that does it for step 38. It does. So I will see you in the next step. Don't forget to make submissions to Schoology. Click like and subscribe and follow me. See you later.